Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can add Stickies on Mac. To launch Stickies app, you can click on search and search for Stickies, or you can open Launchpad and then click Stickies. To create a new node, click on File and a new node. And also you can import text or type your text. Then you can change the font of your text. Make it bold, underline or italic. Increase or decrease your text size by pressing Command and plus or Command and minus. Change the color of your node. And to remove your node, click on small X at the upper left corner of your node. And here you can delete your node or save it. That's how you can add sticky notes on Mac. Thank you for watching.